Hunan Phohom New Material Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise with international intellectual property rights and world-leading technology. Its core business spans R&D, manufacture, sale, and systematic technology solution. Phohom has applied 50 patents and was awarded the first prize of China Non-Ferrous Metal Industry Science and Technology Award in 2020. Phohom has a strategic cooperation with renowned research institutions such as Central South University, the PWI, and so on. These production bases located in Changsha, Hanyang, and Liuyang, with annual production capacity of 50,000 tons. Explosive welding uses high pressure and high speed impact from explosive detonation to produce a metallurgical weld between cladder and backer. Phohom established a quality control system from supplier evaluation, material reinspection to traceable identification. All procedures are in combination of self-inspection, mutual inspection, and professional inspection to improve product quality. Phohom strictly abide by the three principles of not making defective products, not accepting defective products, and not flowing out defective products. Phohom specializes in customizing metals welding solutions. The main products include corrosion-resistant clad materials, wear-resistant clad materials, transition joints, and conductive composite materials. They are widely applied in petrochemicals, metal smelting, shipbuilding, cryogenics, rail transportation, and power batteries, etc. We fully entered the domestic market and exported to more than 30 countries and regions. Phohom has been developing into a pioneer of technological innovation in this field, insisting on the market orientation and building a famous brand with technological innovation, reliable quality, and economic efficiency.